Brian here from quantlabs.net. Question, how many of you are using Metatrader, MT4 or MT5 in your trading? Doesn't matter about the broker. All we need connection into the platform. I'm just doing a test poll. How many of you are using that platform, Metatrader MT5 or 4? Please let me know specifically which one you use so I can gauge a market demand for something I might come up with for Forex trading signals that I've been working on for the last week or two. And my momentum strategy has been coming alive as well. I'll put that in another video in a minute. But yeah, please let me know. I've been running polls and overwhelmingly most people are using Forex, retail Forex. So I'm thinking of something. So please, comments with if you use Metatrader 4 or 5 and what broker. And that's pretty well it. Why the broker you're with. Other than that, thanks for letting me know, and we shall talk to you later.